today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make the taskbar appear on the left side of your screen on your Windows 10 laptop, desktop, or tablet device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. And then you want to select the personalization tile. And then on the left side, you want to select the taskbar button near the bottom. And then on the right side, you want to locate something that says taskbar location on screen. Click the drop down and select left. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.